Another day, another story. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to make online earnings by using AI tools. With the rise of AI technology, we can now use various AI tools to earn money online. Today, we'll be discussing some of the best AI tools available in the market that can help you make a decent amount of money. So, let's dive right into it. Part 1. Understanding AI tools for earning. Before we start discussing the various AI tools, let's first understand what AI tools are and how they can help us earn money online. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. AI tools are software applications that use machine learning algorithms to automate certain tasks and processes. The use of AI tools has become increasingly popular over the years because they can perform tasks more efficiently and accurately than humans. By leveraging AI tools, individuals can save time and increase their productivity, which can lead to increased earning potential. Some of the AI tools that are commonly used for online earning include chatbots, data analysis tools, voice assistants, and content creation tools. We'll be discussing each of these in more detail in the following sections. Part 2. AI tools for earning. 1. Chatbots. Chatbots are AI-powered programs that can simulate human conversation through text or voice interactions. Chatbots are commonly used in customer service to provide quick and efficient responses to customer queries. As an online earner, you can use chatbots to provide customer support for your business. By automating customer support, you can save time and focus on other important tasks such as marketing and sales. One of the best chatbot platforms available in the market is Tars. Tars allows you to create chatbots with a simple drag-and-drop interface. You don't need any coding knowledge to use Tars, which makes it an ideal platform for beginners. 1. Data analysis tools. Data analysis tools use machine learning algorithms to analyze data and provide insights that can be used to make better business decisions. These tools are commonly used in marketing, sales, and customer support. By leveraging data analysis tools, you can identify patterns and trends in customer behavior, which can help you optimize your marketing campaigns and improve your sales performance. One of the best data analysis tools available in the market is Google Analytics. Google Analytics allows you to track website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. With this information, you can make data-driven decisions to improve your website's performance and increase your online earnings. 1. Voice assistants. Voice assistants are AI-powered programs that can understand and respond to voice commands. They are commonly used in smart homes and mobile devices. As an online earner, you can use voice assistants to automate certain tasks and improve your productivity. For example, you can use voice assistants to set reminders, schedule appointments, and send emails. One of the best voice assistants available in the market is Amazon Alexa. Alexa allows you to control smart home devices, play music, and order products from Amazon. With Alexa, you can automate certain tasks and save time, which can lead to increased earning potential. 1. Content creation tools. Content creation tools use machine learning algorithms to create high-quality content such as blog posts, social media posts, and videos. These tools can save you time and help you create content that resonates with your target audience. One of the best content creation tools available in the market is Canva. Canva allows you to create professional-looking designs for social media posts, blog posts, and marketing materials. With Canva, you don't need any design skills to create visually appealing content that can help you attract more customers and increase your online earnings. Part 3. Example. Now that we've discussed some of the best AI tools available for online earning, let's take a look at an example of how you can use these tools to earn money online. Suppose you run an e-commerce business selling handmade jewelry. You have a website where customers can browse your products and make purchases. You also have social media accounts where you post updates about your products and interact with your customers. To increase your online earnings, you can leverage AI tools in the following ways. Chatbots. You can use a chatbot platform like Tars to provide customer support for your business. By automating customer support, you can save time and focus on other important tasks such as marketing and sales. For example, you can create a chatbot that can answer common customer queries such as shipping times and product availability. Data analysis tools. You can use data analysis tools like Google Analytics to track website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. With this information, you can make data-driven decisions to improve your website's performance and increase your online earnings. For example, you can identify which products are the most popular and focus on promoting them to increase sales. Voice assistants. You can use voice assistants like Amazon Alexa to automate certain tasks and improve your productivity. For example, you can use Alexa to set reminders to post on social media, schedule appointments with suppliers, and check your email. Content creation tools. You can use content creation tools like Canva to create visually appealing designs for your social media posts and marketing materials. By creating high-quality content, you can attract more customers and increase your online earnings. For example, you can use Canva to create eye-catching images of your jewelry to post on social media. By leveraging these AI tools, you can streamline your business operations, save time, and increase your online earnings. However, it's important to note that AI tools are not a magic solution to earning money online. You still need to put in the effort to create high-quality products, market your business effectively, and provide excellent customer service. In conclusion, AI tools can be a valuable asset for online earners looking to increase their productivity and earnings. By using chatbots, data analysis tools, voice assistants, and content creation tools, you can automate certain tasks, make data-driven decisions, and create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. However, it's important to remember that AI tools are not a substitute for hard work and dedication. You still need to put in the effort to build and grow your online business. So, start exploring these AI tools and see how they can help you achieve your online earning goals. Thanks for watching.